Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel once again, and in this short video I'm going to show you how to install the MPlayer application on your Android TV or Android TV box. If you find this short video helpful, like, subscribe for more videos like this. Before we continue, I want to show you this TV box I'm currently using called S5 Max Slim TV box, and it's very good with 4K images and 4K videos. Also, it comes with various applications, some basic applications, and it has an app store. Now, not all applications are in the app store, so you can also add an other app store if you're interested in more applications. Here are the various applications in these app stores, and there are lots of them, and they're very nice applications. You can just go ahead and try out. So let's try out one of the applications like my VOD. It gives you videos on demand. Also, there's another application like my TV. It gives you channels that you can watch on your Sling TV box. So these are some of the applications in this TV box. This TV box has 116 gigabyte space, and also it is very affordable. If you want to know more, check the description on this video. There is a link that is going to lead you to where you see all the features of this TV box. Now let's continue. So we're going to be installing this application without the use of Playstore. In that case, we just be needing the download application. So if you have the download application on your Android TV, good. If you don't have the download application, please you need it. To install it, there's a link in the description of this video that is going to help you to install download app to your Android TV. After installing download app to your Android TV, you're going to come over to it. This is how it looks like, and then you type in the code that I'm about to type here. The code is 28907. Once you type in that code, just go ahead and launch 28907. What this code is going to do is that it's going to bring us to a website called firetvsticks.com, and this is a website that has most of the applications that you and I will need on our Android TV. So this website is created by a creator called Tanya. She's on YouTube as Fire TV Sticks, so cheers to you, Tanya. And she's also on TikTok. You can check her out there. So this application doesn't just have the MPlayer that we're looking for, but it has other applications, lots of them. Here are the various categories. You can take out your time and check them out. But for now, we're interested in the media player. So we'll go over to the media player category. So to go there, just scroll over here and click on it. So here's the media player category. So once you're here, just come to MPlayer, and here's it over here. So click on it once, and it's going to bring us to the download page, and here's it here. So you come over here, and here's the download option. So there are two options. There is download ad free, and there is download. Whatever option you choose, just go ahead and click. And now the application is going to start downloading, and we'll just give it a moment to download and we can install. So after the application is downloaded, just go over here, click install. The application is going to install to Android TV. So they're going to say this, do not worry, just go over here and click this and install anyway. Once it's done installing, please click done and delete app file from your Android TV to save space. And if you return home, you're going to see the application has been installed to Android TV, so it should be somewhere here. So here is it here. So if you like this video, subscribe for more videos like this.